In this short video tutorial, we will teach you how to safely share important documents with others in Windows PC. Firstly, try to do a password protecting a Microsoft Word document. To do so, open a document in Microsoft Word, click the File tab, select Info, choose Protect Document, click Encrypt with Password, create and confirm the document password, then click Save to save the new version of your document. Now you can share the document with others by attaching the document to an email message or add the file to a cloud drive. Now another method you can try to do is to attach files to encrypted messages in Outlook. So do it by opening Outlook on your computer, click New Mail, select the File tab, click Properties, choose Security Settings, check the box next to Encrypt Message Contents and Attachments, then click OK to save it, and then the message will now become encrypted. Once all of that is done, click Close, and then the encryption settings will be set and you can now create the message. Then last on the list, encrypt a document with EPS. To start, navigate to the file you want to encrypt, right-click on the file or folder, click Properties, choose Advanced from the General tab, then check the box next to Encrypt Contents to secure data. Once done, click OK, select Apply changes to this folder, subfolder, and files, then click OK once more. After all these, send the encrypted document. Now that's how you can securely send the Word documents through Outlook on a Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.